Ladies and gentlemen, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a loan without going to any bank from your phone on the app. Sit back, relax and enjoy. You go to Explore, you go to Credit, so you can see credit card facility and personal credit. Let's apply for the personal loan. So we first of all need to get an estimate and see if we can qualify. And you need to click on personal loan. You need to key in the amount that you need to borrow. Let's say I'm gonna borrow 2,000 rand. I want the term to be 36 months to repay. Then I'm gonna press next, and then it needs to know where I'm working, so I'm just gonna put my company name. Okay, so automatically it picked up. And then occupants, you can state what type of job you are doing. I'm gonna skip that one, it's perfect. And then type of work, permanent, contract, I'm gonna choose permanent. Start working on the current company. So you just click on the date. So I press OK. Salary after deduction, 3.1. Salary frequency, it's monthly. And then you can key in your email address, but mine is fine. And then you can press next. So now you need to accept the terms and conditions by clicking there and accept. Okay, as you can see guys, I do not qualify for any loan. It's unsuccessful. So basically this is how you go on applying for a loan without going to any bank, and your loan will be approved immediately on the app on your phone. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I'm out.